नीट के पेपर लीक हुए, सपने सारे वीक हुए, नौकरी गई सिस्टम, सोया यूथ पूरा चीख उठे, धर्म के नाम पे बातें वो
I am cockroach. I am cockroach. I am cockroach. I am cockroach. I am cockroach.
Inside the Supreme Court of India, a hearing was underway. The discussion was about senior law designations, and presiding over the hearing was Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant. At first, it seemed like an ordinary court proceeding. However, during the hearing,
there are youngsters like cockroaches. They don't get any employment. They don't have any place in profession. Some of them become media. Some of them become social media. Some of them become RTI activists. Some of them become another activists, and they start attacking everyone. And you people file contempt petition because I go to you not taking up the matter of as if there are already parasites in society who attack you people. You attack the system, and you want to join hands with them.
a statement reportedly caught the attention of many people. According to the reports and the public discussion that followed, unemployed youths, activists, and some social media voices were allegedly compared to cockroaches and parasites. Just a few words, but enough to spark a national-wide debate. Because sometimes a statement leaves the courtroom and enters the public conversations, and when that happens, it becomes more than just a remark. It becomes a symbol and sometimes the beginning of a movement. Every movement needs a face, and in this story, that face was Abhijit Deepke.
Education Minister must resign immediately. 5 students have lost their lives, and the government cannot remain silent. Students deserve safety, dignity, and justice. We demand accountability and urgent action. The nation is watching.
Yes, a 30-year-old digital creator, political communication strategist, and the founder of viral satirical movement, the Cockroach Janata Party. Born in Maharashtra, and he completed his bachelor degree in journalism at Pune before earning a master degrees in public relations from Boston University. Between 2020 and 2023, he worked as a digital communications volunteer and strategist for Aam Aadmi Party AAP. During the 2020 Delhi Assembly elections, he created meme-based digital campaigns aimed at connecting with young voters, and he understood something which many politicians didn't. That in the digital age, a meme can start a conversation, and a conversation can grow into a movement. Years later, when the Cockroach Janata Party began going viral across the internet, the name behind it was
सिस्टम टूटेगा,
तालियां ताली दोनों बजाइए, सो बनाइए,
बीजेपी नीट के पेपर लीक हुए, सपने सारे वीक हुए, नौकरी गई सिस्टम, सोया यूथ
For lakhs of students, NEET is not just an exam, it is a war. But in every war, rules must be fair, because when rules breaks, then faith dies. This time, the question paper leaked, and when the paper leaked, it wasn't just an exam paper that was leaked. It was a trust, it was a hope, and was the future of millions of students. And national testing agencies failed the system. And when the system failed,
प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं मेलेडी खाओ खुद जान जाओ। प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं मेलेडी खाओ खुद जान जाओ, लेकिन मेरी उनसे दरख्वास्त है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी हमने बहुत मेलेडी खा ली, अब आप प्लीज मेंटोस खाओ और दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ।
a moment when nobody expected, but a moment India can no longer ignore. From Delhi to Jaipur, from Pune to Nagpur, one slogan started shaking the streets.
I am cockroach.
When the voices became louder, fear entered. At Jaipur, during a protest, even Abhijit Deepke was attacked, slapped, humiliated, and also got silenced. At least that was the plan. But they made one mistake, that they thought fear kills the movement. Abhijit Deepke is leading a massive protest demanding the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan over the NEET paper leak. And protesters are doing Tali Chamach protest, like banging plates, spoons, and also police tried removing protesters and allegedly cut water and electricity. And CJP said they won't leave until Pradhan resigns. Farmers and students are being asked to question and join national-wide.
और मैं सीधा प्राइम मिनिस्टर से पूछना चाहता हूं, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान से क्यों बुलवा रहे हो? अपने मुंह से बोलिए, हिम्मत है तो अपने मुंह से बोलिए इस देश का स्टूडेंट टेररिस्ट है। इस्तीफा नहीं लिया जा रहा है आपसे प्रधान धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का। दावा करते हो रशिया यूक्रेन की जंग रुकवाने का, पेपर लीक रुकवा दीजिए, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा रुकवा दिया, इस्तीफा ले लीजिए, हमें क्या जरूरत पड़ती है यहाँ आने की। इतनी धूप में हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हुए पिछले 5 दिनों से, और बदले में हमें कहा जा रहा है टेररिस्ट। टेररिस्ट कौन होता है? टेररिस्ट वो होता है जो दूसरों की जान लेता है। आज देश के 17-18 स्टूडेंट्स ने सुसाइड करी है, उनकी मौत का जिम्मेदार कौन है? उनकी मौत का जिम्मेदार धर्मेंद्र प्रधान है। तो टेररिस्ट वो हुआ या हम हुए? हमारी वजह से तो किसी ने सुसाइड नहीं किया।
Fear creates monsters. This is where the story changes, because this protest was never about one paper leak, never about one exam or one minister. This was about entire generation asking, does our hard work even matter? Year of preparation, sleepless nights, mental torture, one leak, and everything burns. CJP's message is simple, brutal and powerful. Fix the system, punish the guilty, give justice to the students. Until then, no silence, no surrender, no retreat. You can leak a paper, you can delay an exam, you can attack a protester, but remember, you cannot defeat a generation that has lost its fear. Because when students stop being silent, even the government shakes. CJP's Zindabad. Justice for students.